In this video we'll talk about ClickMagick, which is very important for our business. As you know, we'll be focusing on two methods in this course, in this training: direct linking and email marketing. So this tool is required in both the methods. ClickMagick is actually an amazing tracking tool, guys. It gives us all the details about the link clicks we are getting from different traffic sources, as we'll be promoting our products on different traffic sources. So it gives us all the minute details we required, right? We can double check the quality of the links we are getting from a specific traffic source, and we can get to know which traffic source is working for us, right? Also, which keyword gave us the customer or the subscriber. This is super powerful, guys. If you have all the details with you, you can simply scale the winners and drop the loser from your ad campaigns, which can save you ton of money and which can ensure your success in internet marketing. So let's first understand how it can help you and how it can save you money. See, this is your offer. Whether you send the traffic directly to the offer or to the landing page, you are sending traffic, and traffic is coming from different traffic sources, right? And also you are using different keywords for this traffic. So there are two parameters. The traffic is coming from different traffic sources and traffic is coming from different keywords, right? Okay, so if I tell you which keyword gave you the sale, ClickBank sale, whether it's weight loss, whether it's diabetes, which keyword in that campaign gave you the sale, you can easily adjust the bid of that keyword. You can give more exposure to that keyword which actually gave you the sale, okay? And you can drop other keywords which are getting the clicks but not giving you sales, right? Or which keyword gave you the subscriber. So this is super powerful. You are paying money for every click. Each and every click you are paying money. So you need to have all the details. This is super powerful, guys. When you have all these details, you can easily identify the keywords which are working for you, okay, which are giving you sales, which are giving you subscribers, and you can easily scale these keywords. Okay, so in this way ClickMagick saves a ton of money. So I'll show you in this video how ClickMagick works. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to connect our ClickBank account with ClickMagick account. For creating ClickMagick account, you can just create a free account for 14 days. After that, if you like it, you can continue with that. So all these are test accounts what I use in this training. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to connect ClickBank with ClickMagick. So first of all, we go to ClickBank, just log into ClickBank, come to settings, then my site, come at the bottom of the page, advanced tools. I've just created a secret key. You have to create a secret key, 16 characters, a combination of letters and numbers, all in uppercase. Also you have to request access, okay, and I've created the secret key, and then save changes and request API access. I've created the secret key now, guys. Now I go to ClickMagick account, profile, I copy this secret key, miscellaneous, ClickBank secret key, I put it here, update my profile, okay. Then I go to tools, postback URL. Under postback URL is postback builder. Select the network, ClickBank, select network, Then click on this link, ClickBank's instant notification URL. Now we have to set up this. Scroll down and you will get the URL there. This is the URL. Copy this. Come to your ClickBank account. Again at the same page, settings, my sites, where we created the secret key. Click on edit. Now we have to put the URL here. So instant notification URL. Save changes. Again come to this. It's unverified, so click on this test pin. It's verified now. Save changes. Now ClickBank will send all the details to ClickMagic whenever there is any sales, right? So now you will see the magic. So now ClickBank and ClickMagic are linked. What you need to do now? This is one sub ID. This is the sub ID which you have to add to your link you create in ClickMagic, right? Now I show you how to create the links in ClickMagic. So go to links. I take any product for the demo purpose. I search for weight loss. I just take this product, let's say. I come to ClickMagic, create new link name, weight loss, or you can put the product name here. Tracking link, weight loss 01. Primary URL, the affiliate link we just created in ClickBank, and we have to put this ID. We have to add this ID at the end of this for tracking, right? So now the link is created. It will show me the total clicks, the unique clicks, the filter clicks, right? This is super powerful. Any action on the page, any sales will come under this tab S, right? This is super powerful, guys. It will show you all the details of all the clicks. I just try to click at the link, copy tracking link, and I just click on the link. So this is the product page, right? It's working perfectly fine. Now I refresh the page. So it's showing me one click, one total click, one unique click, because I'm the only person who clicked at the link from this IP. If I click on this, I can see everything. Conversion, split testing. I'll tell you about split testing. We can create the rotator link as well, wherein from the same link we can send traffic to all different products to split test which product is working or which landing page is working. So these all things are possible in this. We can check the traffic quality. Unique IP 1, tier 1 click 0, tier 2 0, tier 3 1, because I'm in India, so it's in tier 3 as per ClickMagic. So it will show you all the things, traffic quality, conversions, everything, which landing page is working fine, which landing page is converting well. It will tell you that. So it will show you all the winners, be it keyword, be it landing page, be it product. It will show you all the stats. You can easily identify the winners and you can make ton of money using this specific tool when you have all the details with you, right?